Certainly, there are several types of steering systems used in vehicles, each with its own design and characteristics to cater to different needs and vehicle types. Here are some of the main types of steering systems. Rack and pinion steering. This is a common steering system in modern vehicles. It uses a rack, a toothed bar, and a pinion, a gear, to convert the rotational motion of the steering wheel into the linear motion needed to turn the wheels. It's known for its simplicity and compact design, making it suitable for smaller vehicles. 2. Recirculating ball steering. Commonly found in trucks and larger vehicles, this system uses a recirculating ball mechanism to translate the rotation of the steering wheel into the linear motion of the wheels. It's known for its durability and ability to handle heavier loads. 3. Power steering. Hydraulic power steering, HPS. This system uses hydraulic pressure to assist the driver's effort in turning the steering wheel. A pump provides pressure to help turn the wheels, making it easier for the driver, especially at low speeds. Electric power steering, EPS. EPS uses an electric motor to provide steering assistance. It's more efficient and adjustable, as the assistance level can be controlled electronically. It's commonly used in modern vehicles. 4. Manual steering. Before power steering became widespread, manual steering was the norm. In this system, the driver directly applies force to turn the wheels without any hydraulic or electric assistance. It requires more effort, especially at lower speeds. 5. Four-wheel steering. This system allows all four wheels of a vehicle to turn, either in the same direction or opposite directions. It enhances maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds. Four-wheel steering can be passive, mechanical linkage, or active, computer-controlled. 6. Steer-by-wire. A more recent technology, steer-by-wire eliminates the mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the wheels. Instead, electronic sensors and actuators interpret the driver's input and control the steering. This technology offers flexibility in adjusting steering feel and can enable advanced driver assistance features. 7. Worm and sector steering. This older steering system is found in some vintage vehicles. It uses a worm gear and a sector gear to convert the steering wheel's rotation into lateral motion. 8. Cambered axle steering. This system involves tilting the entire front axle instead of just turning the wheels. It's primarily used in heavy-duty vehicles for better stability and load distribution. 9. Center point steering. This concept aims to keep the steering pivot point, axis, in the center of the wheel, potentially offering more direct and responsive control. These steering systems serve different purposes and have varying advantages and disadvantages. The choice of steering system depends on factors such as vehicle type, intended use, design considerations, and technological advancements.